Hello? Madaming beses ka na bang na-miscarriage? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, or so on? Ilang ang miscarriages mo, guys? Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami tayong silent fighter in this battle. I encourage you, patuloy kang maniwala. God hears the deepest desires of our hearts, kapatid. By the way, I am Judy Garcia, 41 years old. I'm a licensed civil engineer, expert manager, and project manager by profession. And a mommy of a 3 years old, miracle baby Mikaela. Tama ang narinig mo. At 41 years old, isa pa lang ang baby ko. No, 3 taon pa lang siya ngayon. And 37 years old ako nung nalaman kong buntis ako kay Mikaela. We waited for so long for Mikmik. What makes Mikaela so precious is that I underwent. Na guys, I really underwent total of 6. Tamang narinig mo, 6 na beses akong na-miscarriage. Kaya, have hope, guys. No? Bago ako nagkaroon ng miracle baby, I underwent 6, total of 6. My fertility journey is not that easy. Guys, share ko sa'yo. Okay? I'm actually a diagnosed APAS patient. It's an anti-phospholipid antibody syndrome. It is an autoimmune disorder which can cause pregnancy complications like miscarriage and stillbirth. APAS is really scary. Ano ba talaga yung APAS, guys? No? So on this talk, I will be sharing to you what really APAS is. APAS is actually an autoimmune disorder. Of course, when the body's immune system, pag humina immune system natin, it makes abnormal antibody that attacks and damage tissues and cells. So no wonder for that 6 babies, tumatay talaga yung baby ko. Okay? So as an autoimmune disorder, APAS occurs when the body makes antibodies that mistakenly attack phospholipid. Phospholipid kasi is a fat that found in the blood. That this really caused blood clots. Yan. So, blood clots in the veins, yung mga arteries natin, which can lead to numerous problems and complications. Kasama na nga dun yung miscarriages. Since autoimmune disorder siya, it can be genetics. Yes. So, some medications also increases yung likelihood of developing it. Katulad na lang ng mga maintenance meds for high blood pressure like hydralazine and especially the antibiotic, amoxicillin, guys. No? It can also develop when you have certain infections like HIV, hepatitis, and syphilis. Okay, kaya ingat talaga, guys, no? Ingat talaga tayo sa pag-take ng over-the-counter medicines, especially antibiotics, because this can trigger yung natutulog ng mga autoimmunity in our body, if in case meron ka. In my next video, I will share to you the rest of my APAS journey. Baby, that's to all of us, guys. To God be all the glory. Again, I am Judy Garcia, APAS Mommy. God bless us all, always, and in always. Bye.